how to find favorite albums on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find favorite albums on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and now as you see here you will see this icon here, favorites icon, and in bottom corner. Now just click on it, and as you see here you will find your favorite albums. Just click on it, and here you can find all your favorite albums, and that's it. That's how to find your favorite albums. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.